Welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening Runway Diva. The last one I need is Miss Divine. And here she looks. So let's start opening her. So Runway Diva is so pretty. And now let's start opening her. She has a message, like all the OMG Queens do. And it says, a fashion queen, bling is my thing. Run all day, hold my crown high. Here's how it looks. And on the back it says, let's party. And now we can see other things that she has. So here she is. And it looks like she's queen of crystals. So now we're going to start unboxing her one bags. So she has these sparkly glittery shoes. And now we are going to see what else she has in here. So she has these beautiful glasses. Here. And she has the sparkly, glittery purse. Now at the back, and she has this sparkly little jacket. And now we can start opening up her. And here she looks. Now we can start putting on her clothes. So see how she looks with her glittery shoes on. Now I'm putting on her glasses. Her jacket. And we're going to put on her sparkly jewelry bag now. So here she looks. So nice and pretty. So let's find out what this thing is. So she has this purple little comb. So here she looks. Now we're going to put together her stamp. So she has this sparkly glittery stand. And you can put her down in it. One thing that I loved about this doll is how she sparkles and glitters. So cute. And she has the sparkly little boots. If you saw, there's ties right there on her. And look like there's diamonds on her here. And her like earrings are so beautiful. I like how she has purple nail polish all over. Looks like she's like purpley. You can like brush her hair. And it's just so nice how she sparkles and she glitters. And now we can put her up here. And you can go right down there to add. So I hope you like this video unboxing Runway Diva. If you want the one that has Lady Diva, they're kind of like the same because they both have Diva in their name. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe so you can see more videos that come out.